Hi guys. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you how to turn off Bing Safe Search. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to open your browser and you have to go to bing.com. Once when you're here, you can click these three lines and then you can go to Safe Search. Now, if you're a new Bing user, the Safe Search will be automatically turned on to moderate. This is the basic rule here, but if you want to turn it off, you can just simply click off and it will be turned off. Now, I can know for people in some countries, you can't just turn it off. You can't turn your safe search off. So I have a solution for that as well. If you ever face an issue like that, what you need to do is you have to go down here to country and region, and then you have to change your country. For example, if you are living in Australia and in Australia, you can't turn Safe Search off. So what you need to do is you have to select another country and then you're just good to go. You don't have to do any other thing. And after changing your country, you can easily turn off Safe Search. And even after that, like there's a very low percentage that this thing might fail, but even if it does, what you can do is you can turn on a VPN, because a VPN virtually changes your location. So when your location will be changed, so Safe Search can be automatically changed without any issue. That was it. I hope this video was helpful. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel for more content. Thank you so much.